When people think about quality, they often imagine audits, checklists, and compliance documents. But quality is a mindset, a belief system that lives in the culture of an organization. And if you want to build something truly great, you have to lead with that belief system at the core. It's easy to implement policies. You write them down, train your teams, and measure adherence. But policy without purpose tends to breed check-the-box behavior. People follow the rules because they have to, not because they believe in the outcome. One of the most powerful things we can do as leaders is remind people why quality matters. Not in abstract terms, but in a way that hits close to home. The biggest myths in large organizations is that quality is the responsibility of the quality department. In reality, every function owns a piece of the quality puzzle. Procurement owns it when they choose the right supplier. Engineering owns it when they design with manufacturability and reliability in mind. Manufacturing owns it on the line, shift after shift. Leadership owns it when we reinforce expectations and walk the talk. If you want a culture of quality, start by breaking down silos. Encourage cross-functional conversations. Bring quality people into early design meetings. Loop in operators when drafting new procedures. Everyone should feel like they have a stake in the outcome, because they do. You can't manage what you don't measure, but more importantly, people won't care about what they don't see. Too often, training is focused on how instead of why. We teach people to follow a procedure but not necessarily how to spot a weak point or speak up when something looks off. In global operations, culture varies by country, language, and local norms. But the principles of quality, care, consistency, customer focus, are universal. Our job as leaders is to translate the values of quality into local language, not just linguistically, but culturally. That might mean tailoring training methods, adjusting recognition styles, or finding new ways to connect the work to the end customer. But the goal is the same: to make quality feel personal, no matter where someone is working. Embedding quality into culture is not a one-time initiative. It's not a poster or a slogan. It's a long game, built on trust, leadership, and shared purpose. If we want to build organizations that last, that innovate, that serve customers reliably and ethically, we need more than policies. We need people who care.